What you're watching is not a movie. It's not special effects. This is real lava, erupting from deep within the Earth. Volcanoes are one of nature's most powerful forces. When pressure builds beneath the Earth's surface, the crust cracks open. And what pours out is pure fire, molten rock called lava, reaching temperatures over 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It melts everything in its path. Forests vanish, roads disappear, and even mountains are reshaped by this unstoppable flow. In Hawaii, eruptions like these are part of life. The Kilauea volcano has been erupting for years, creating new land while destroying what stands in its way. It's both terrifying and mesmerizing. Now, travel to Iceland, a land where glaciers and fire collide. Here, glowing lava lights up frozen landscapes, creating a dramatic dance of destruction and creation. Volcanoes may destroy, but they also give life. They create new islands, enrich the soil, and remind us that Earth is alive, breathing, moving, changing. This is the raw power of nature, and you just witnessed it with your own eyes.